So it's been a while. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but my channel art says that I upload every Monday. Well, I guess that's a lie. I've been gone for like 2.5 weeks now, and I'm finally uploading. So there's this event coming up in a few months. It's called Flight Fest. Basically, it's a get-together for a bunch of RC enthusiasts that like making things fly. And in the past few years, some people have been bringing some pretty wacky projects that really stand out. And I thought, you know what, if I'm gonna go to that event, I might as well make something that's pretty cool. So for this video, I decided to basically slap a bunch of LED strips to my plane over here. You know, surprisingly, it was pretty effective in the dark, so I'll be showing you guys how you can do this yourself. It's pretty easy, but I'll have some general wiring schematics, and as well as parts that are used, and a flight video in the end, so you know it works. Alright, so let's get into this video. Okay, so I finally finished building this thing. It's been like 2 or 3 weeks now. I don't even know, I haven't been keeping track. I've just been busy with other things. And you know what, I'm just glad this is finally finished. I ran into some technical difficulties along the way. So the RGB circuit, I guess, was overloaded or something, or shorted out. But anyways, only the red and the blue channel work now. Like, I can actually control the RGB circuit with my phone. It has a bunch of different features. You can use the microphone and everything. I'll provide all the links down below, but I think in the future I would use an Arduino with a few MOSFETs instead for reliability and customization. Anyways, it's finally finished. I'll be testing it out soon. It's getting dark, so that's perfect. Hopefully I won't lose orientation because it's the same color everywhere. But luckily I made it so that every section of the RGB LED strip is like plug and play, so there's a cable for each section, so you can really customize it, have multiple circuits running at the same time or use multiple channels. Anyways, enough talk. Let me drive down to my friend Tristan's place and have him film this. Let's get this bread. Okay, boys. This is my first test flight with this plane in the dark. I've never done this before. Probably an awful idea and gonna end in a disaster. Is this grass even gonna allow movement? I don't know. This project has been on the back burner for way too long. Oh,
No way.
whoa, yo! Don't worry about it. Oh my God, are you getting this?
Yeah.
Dude, this is way easier than I thought it would be. I don't want to land it though, because that's going to be my major downfall. Get it? Pun intended. Oh my God.
So funny.
Am I getting too close to the tree? I'm pretty sure I've added a solid 400 grams to this thing with just the LEDs, but it looks amazing. And I can tell what's the top and what's not. So that's great. How is it? Is it too far?
I got the zoom on, yeah, so we're good.
More rates. Holy crap, this is definitely not balanced well. But you know what, it's a 3D plane, so everything is... Oh, may I mention that the airfoils are basically doing nothing because of the LEDs on them? How am I gonna land this? Is there like a soft patch in the field? Okay, well, I'm gonna have to like stall this thing as if it's not already
Do we
stalling.
catch it?
No, that's a dangerous idea. I have a carbon prop on it right now. It'd probably chew right through your arm. Haha! There it is. It actually looks fine, you know? Dude. Oh, it was at 11.5 volts. It's just sagging so much because of all this amperage draw. Hey guys, the video editor Greg here. I accidentally deleted my outro that I filmed prior to this. And, you know, I don't want to wake the entire house now, so this is going to be it. Thanks for watching. All the links for like the products are down in the description. So make sure to leave a like if you like this video. That would really help me a lot because the algorithm likes that. So we gotta please the algorithm. And make sure to subscribe if you want more stuff like this. And yeah, see you next week. Peace.